Hey, sneekylinux back today. Yes, today is Tuesday. And today we've got Saluki Linux, which is a puppy-based distro, of course, because this is a big dog, isn't it? It's got a bit of a dog in it. Yes, Saluki. Nice dogs, actually. A bit about the hair, though. Anyway, we're going to have a quick look around and show you some bits and bobs and what it's all about. Now, it's based on Wary Racy 522, the woof build, basically, but comes with xfce. And they've customised xfce to look very snazzy indeed. As you can see, I've made the panel removable, so it goes and hides away when I'm not near it. Now, how to change this, you should all know this by now. If we go to panel, and we go to panel preferences, basically, automatically lock and hide the panel if you want to, or lock the panel, whatever you want to do. Or you can actually have it up the side if you want to. You don't have to have it on the bottom. It's entirely up to you. So I'll take that off anyway, and so it's there all the time so you can see what I'm doing. So as it's xfce, you can see you've got home and trash, nice little icons, little dog kennel there, lovely, lovely little touch. Lovely. You've got your time and date over here. There you go. Got my Ethernet connection. There's wireless as well if you had wireless. The yellow thing here is for your battery. Right, okay. If I click on it, and you go to performance, sorry, go right click. You can click if you want power save, performance, or turbo. Now, bearing in mind this is not a laptop, it doesn't really matter to me, so no big deal at all. But it's there if you want to use it. And you've got your volume control, etc., etc., etc. Okay, we'll go straight to the menu because it's not a very long video, this one. Because they're still working on it. This is number 10, by the way, Luki 10. That didn't come out too long ago. I thought I'd give it a run. I've had it a little while, just haven't got around to doing it. I've got so much behind it. It's unbelievable. You get your usual file system. So you've got your Thunar for your stuff there. Lovely. Under fun, we get Dueled and GTK Tetris. Okay, there's two in there. No big deal, is it? Under graphics, you get all the basics from Wary. You don't get any extras, but you can get them from the Puppy Package Manager or from their site, and I'll show you all about that in a moment. For internet, for your mail you get Claws, which is okay, and you get Midori for your web browser. You get Pigeon for messaging, as you can see. Stream Tuner Internet Radio is also here. I'll just quickly open it up. If you've never seen it before, you can just get your radio stations and do what you got to do, basically. And it works hunky-dory. And you can add your own ones in there if you want to. Okay? So that's that bit out of the way. Right. Where else is we? Yes, okay. Under Multimedia, we get a Sunder GNAC audio converter, which don't work at the moment. Well, it doesn't work for me, anyway. A wave editor, Oggle DVD player, ideal for this sort of distro because it just does what it says on the tin. It plays your DVDs if that's what you really want to do, okay? You got a PCD CD audio player. Thogen for ripping your DVDs. Of course, only do it if you're allowed to in your country of origin. You got UC View webcam, so you can do your webcams online and stuff like that. XF Burn, XFC mixer, and X Noise media player, which I've not opened yet. I've been doing other stuff. Reminds me of something, and I can't actually remember what. Okay, but never mind. Oh yes. So we'll close that. I might go into that another time, actually. Stand there. We're going to get rid of that, don't we? Yes. So anyway, under System, we get Cups, of course. G Parted. Lovely. Right. Grub for DOS is for the bootload manager. Okay. Right. I would have stuck with Grub Legacy, really. Personally, you can get it if you want to. By the way, I just don't really see the need for Grub for DOS personally. Unless you're going to run it in line with a Windows system, which I didn't think you really want to do. You get a stopwatch and a time zone tool, so that's lovely of the jubbly. Nicey, nicey. Run program, find, control panel, and shut down. So that's all there. Now, it all runs really nice and smooth. I can't really knock it for that whatsoever, really. Of course, as it's xfce, I'll right-click desktop, and this is what you get. So you can search for stuff, open your terminal here, but you don't get the Puppy Manager here, or the menu manager, should I say, because it's xfce, okay? But if you go down the bottom, you do get it. See what I mean? See, you thought it wasn't there at all, didn't you? Oh no. But under desktop settings, they give you nice set of wallpapers by default. I've changed the default one. I'll go back to the default one here. And there you go, that's the default. I didn't particularly like that one, so I just chose a different one, basically. You know. So we'll choose another different one as well, shall we? Yes, let's. Okay, we'll go to that one. There you go. Oh, same one. I like it. Lovely. Super. Right. As I said earlier, or so I said earlier, Midori is their browser of choice here. So we'll open up Midori. There we go. Reasonably fast. And you get DuckDuckGo as your default engine. Ooh, lovely. Now I'm going to take you over to their wiki. Jungle is massive. I love it. It's the Puppy Linux Saluki wiki. Jungle is massive. Now the project manager and tech leader is Gemma. Hello Gemma. Very nice indeed. But she's got other people to do all the hard work. That's a woman for you. Oh yes indeed. Ha 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 ha. As you can see, it tells you all about it here. 150 megabytes in size, so that's lovely. Based on racy, super duper, lovely, like it all. Just tells you all about it here, anything you need to know, okay? You can download it 11 now. This is only 10. Blimey, 11's out. Ooh, I'll have to get that and have a look at that one tonight, won't I? So give that a look, see what you reckon. Now you also get extra pets here. The ones that are not in the Puppy Package Manager, you can get some more here. And there is a stack load of stuff, as you can see. I could go on and on. Basically, you download it, open the pet up, and it'll install for you, which is all nicey. And you even get Moonlander. Hopefully that's the game. I'll go back to my youth. But maybe it might not be. Okay, there's a new forum link as well, and there's Saluki tips, okay? So go to Saluki tips. Tells you a bit more about this and that, and resources, etc, etc, etc. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Anyway, I didn't want to enter my trash, did I? No, I didn't want to do that. So if I close the browser again, and that's round about it. Oh, I forgot to show you something else. Silly me. Back to the net one more time. Open up Midori. Hang on a second. If you go and want to know more about it and get involved, go to the Puppy Linux discussion forum. It's got its own section. I mean, considering it was only posted in November 2011, we're up to 76 pages. That's quite a bit, isn't it, really? Yes, it's very big. Yes. And you can get involved and do some testing for them if you so wish. Give it a good read. Obviously, not every page, otherwise you could be there for some time. But yeah, give them a go. Now, I know it's Puppy Linux, but I like it with xfce. It works really nice, and once it's up and running, it's stable as stable can be so far, as I've not had too many problems. Okay, so I'm going to give this one 82 out of 100. Sneaky Linux out. I see you later. Bye.